Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to restart and power off a Samsung phone without using the power button. So, for those of you who have a Samsung phone with a broken power button, let's just follow the tutorial. There are two ways you can restart a Samsung phone without the power button. First, you can use the power off button on the navigation panel. Swipe down your Samsung screen, swipe down again, and you'll find the power off button at the top here. Tap it, and you can immediately turn off or restart your Samsung phone without the power button. The second way, you can use the Samsung Assistant feature. Go to Samsung Settings and select Accessibility Settings. Open the Interaction and Dexterity option, then select the Assistant menu feature. Let's turn on this feature. Then to use it, tap the shortcut ball at the edge of the screen here. Then select the power off menu. Here you are free to turn off or just restart your Samsung phone. Okay guys, those are two ways to turn off or restart a Samsung phone without using the power button. I hope this video can help. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.